I have these wood shadow boxes. They came from Michael's for $1. And I'm going to remove the back hanger and also the piece of jute that they attached to the top of each box. Now these measure 4 by 6 inches. You do not have to use these exact ones. You can find similar crates from the Dollar Tree. I'm then going to paint the entire outside using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. I'm not worried about full coverage. I am painting the entire outside, but I did only do one coat. And then you want this to fully dry. Once dry, I'm going to dry brush on some Wise Owl Black. Now this step is optional depending on your style. You can just leave it white. I have a skewer here and I'm going to put beads on it. I'm rotating between white and black beads. I get these pre-painted off Amazon. You can also find some at the Dollar Tree. And I did 9 of the black and 9 of the white. And I did that 4 times. I'm going to add hot glue to the bottom part and add hot glue into a corner of the inside of the shadow box. And then I'm going to stand up the skewer of beads. It's basically just a really thin dowel that I placed the wood beads on. And I did that 4 times so that each thing of beads was standing in the corner of a shadow box. I'm going to mark the top of these just with a Sharpie, so I'm going to remove the top bead. And I'm going to cut just a little below my marked area because I want the last bead to cover the end of the wooden stick. So I'm just adding hot glue on the inside of each bead that was on the end and placing it back on the top. Then I'm going to go around and add some glue to the ends of those beads and then into each corner of the second shadow box, and I'm going to place it on the other end. And this is what we have so far. I'm going to allow all that glue to dry. I'm going to glue this ball that I got from Hobby Lobby. The bottom of it is flat. I'm going to glue it onto a small square piece of wood and I'm going to paint everything white. I will allow that to dry and then I'm going to go back on and dry brush my black. Dry brush is just a small amount of paint so that you're not completely covering the white, you're just brushing over it. And then I'm going to place that onto the top of the one shadow box. I have this word home. You can get these from Walmart. I'm spraying it with a little bit of water and then just brushing on some Wise Owl chocolate. The water just gives it more of a stained appearance. I'm going to glue that to the base. Now again, this is even an optional step. You do not even have to add the word to the project. I have some artificial greenery. This came from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm cutting the different branches off and I'm going to place a battery operated candle on the inside and then fill in the area with the artificial greenery. And I really like how this came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.